I asked my 5-year-old niece if I look pretty. She said pretty for a tired person. I laughed. Then she added,
Like, you're trying, that's what matters.
she's 5. At dinner, my brother joked Auntie's single again. My niece looked at me and said,
Maybe if you brushed your hair, Auntie.
the whole table went silent. Then she pat my hand and said,
Don't worry, my friend's mom is single too, and she has a boyfriend. You'll figure it out.
I went home and brushed my hair. She wasn't wrong.